everyone, it's Shanezi. Welcome back to my channel Nezzle and to another vlog. In today's video, we are hashing up in Granbra in St. Andrew, and we're about to do a little mini hash to the actual camping site, and then we officially begin there. Today we have 4 trails, so there's walkers, short walkers, runners, and long runners. So I'm not exactly sure which one we're gonna do yet. It might be runners, might be long runners, who knows, but stay tuned to find out. So let's go. So these HH8 signs are usually placed close to the hashing point to let persons know that they're on the right track in terms of getting to the actual hashing destination.
Problems. I would never thought that you could be causing these problems. It smells so bright with eyes like these diamonds. Caution. I know I should have known. Right now you're not alone. I don't wanna get in trouble.
Breadfruit tree with a lot of breadfruit on it, and breadfruit is one of the main ingredients in our national dish, oil down. So whenever I see it, I like to highlight it for you guys to see. And plus there's a lot of other uses for it, and it tastes really good. It's very starchy and high in calories, but it's also very tasty. Ooh, that sun just came right through. So this is where we begin. Some persons are actually going to camp out here later. Well, they did say you could, but I am not. But yeah, this is the starting point for the hash today. And of course, it's also the ending point. I'm under a nutmeg tree. So this is the bathroom here. You know, what you call a latrine. Let me give you all a full picture of it. And there's a little sink here with a bag. There's no running water in this area, actually. So it is just nature and the river. Anyway, we're about to get on the actual trail now, and we are going to do the runners. Paper down there, but no. There's lots of bamboo. This is a paper. Tell us where we're going. So we're kind of just doing back what we just did. Like we walked down and now we're walking back up. But we're heading up this bit of an incline now.
If you would keep me waiting, I would wait a lifetime. In tricky situations.
You can see the river below there. So beautiful. And this is what the trail is looking like.
Nobody's meant to be fighting alone. That's why I'm taking you home. I never felt something like this before.
There's some cocoa trees around us here, and some baby cocoa right here. I'm loving this tree.
When you feel like falling, I'll be there to prove, yeah, that baby I got you. No matter the distance, no matter the moves.
I like her first one. I don't have to cross them.
Yeah, that baby I got you. No matter the distance, no matter the moves. Yeah, baby I got you.
Yeah, they're killing the stool of the bamboo, I think, to control the growth. because as you know, bamboo grows really rapidly. So that's what's currently happening here. I'm enjoying the trail. It is beautiful. I love seeing the river. Probably the biggest river I've seen. You guys have seen me calling the tiniest of streams rivers. This, what we just passed, that's a river. And here you can see lots of crops being grown, some dash beans, some corn, some green banana, some peas. And one of the hash rules is to always make sure that we don't trample on farmland, and so when we are passing through. This person has some animals. I'm seeing rabbits, I'm hearing dogs, I'm seeing a sheep. Hey guys! Okay, I'm seeing the dog now. Hey! Alright, so we're on the main road now. Perfect. So you can see that H sign there. That leads to the Marble Hospital. So if you continue straight, it'll take you out there. Here's the river again, guys. Look at that. It's beautiful. Balthazar River. You can see it on both sides. This side here as well. Listen. And now we're going back into the bush, as per usual. So we're not going straight up the hill. We're turning off here. You see the bits of paper here, and we're going through here.
I might be broken down, but I'm smiling.
Wow guys, this is a huge avocado tree here next to the breadfruit.
Turn around and let it go. I see you watching me from a distance. I see you can't decide what to feel. But if you dig a little deeper, boy, you know you really wanna get to know me.
Guys, in here is kind of confusing. Not really sure where we're supposed to be going. Just trying to follow the trail as best as possible. But there are pieces of paper here. Okay. But yeah, as I said, the paper lets us know that we're on the right track, or at least it's supposed to guide you. Sometimes when you see a circle, it could throw you off, but the little bits of paper usually let you know you're on track. Guys, this tree looks like a hoo-ha. Going into the hoo-ha. Tell me if y'all can see it, or if it's just me. Guys, that was probably a greenhouse that they had before, not sure, but that's kind of what it looks like. Guys, it's possible that they have there for chickens. Not sure, I'm not actually seeing any chickens, but it's possible.
Yeah, I'm a bit too much, but I'm fun and games. When I'm at the top, I just wanna play. If you want to go on hella good ride, just come and get it. Baby, I'm all yours. Come and get it, 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 come and get it. If you want to go on hella good ride, just come and get it. Baby, I'm all yours. Oh, 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 oh.
Guys, it's interesting. I don't know if these people cook on firewood or what. They have a lot of it. And then this looks like maybe like a stove or something. I don't know. Could be wrong. But it looks like it could be. Or at least maybe there. On that brick that they have there. But it's cool. And that's a latrine there again. So we're seeing quite a few of them today. Well, technically we saw two, but you know. More sugar cane.
face is filled with sadness.
A teeny little waterfall. Guys, it's so nice. I like it. It's cute.
Just to save us when we try to make up for never letting go. Said the things we promised not to say, then we break up just to start all over. Even though
Alright guys, so we missed the paper at some point. So we're trying to find the trail because we went off and then we saw Jesus with many waterfall, but that was not on the trail.
we can be heartache together. This is the hard way to better.
So we were not supposed to go left, we were supposed to go right. So now we're doing that. Oh, waterfall! Going down the bamboo. No.
To deep cuts. Let our fears hold us. Let's go back. Let's start again. To a place a long time ago when I kissed your lips. I can see the fire that we made just to save us. When we try to make up for never letting go. Said the things we promised not to say, that we this is the hard way better. We can be heartache together. This is the hard way better. We can be heartache together.
Look at it, it's so beautiful. Guys, I really love this little waterfall. I don't even know what it's called. I wonder what it's called. But look at it one last time before we go. So guys, short walkers go that way and runners go left. And we're doing runners, so we're going left. Guys, Aliko and Grubba have arrived. Hey! Don't fall! Oh my god! Look at the waterfall! Yeah! Welcome!
As we say in the Caribbean, we live where you vacation. Come visit.
Yeah! Look at Aliko coming through with the tourism. So guys, the paper is down there, but we're up here. Technically, you're not supposed to do that. You're supposed to stick to the trail, but it's so wet down there. You'd have to go through all the river there to come up here. This would have been the path to come up here.
To me it was clear, but you lied to me. No, I keep thinking.
Guys, look at how far up we are. See that little stream there? And we see the way that the land is sliding here. The road is literally going down into the river. And this side is even further down. And here we have a broken piece of bamboo, creating a nice little arch.
Was it a make-believe? Something you never needed. What was it all for? I don't know you anymore. We go back.
Favorite thing, palm trees. Wait, coconut trees, but it's a palm tree.
Back, even God knows I'm trying. Dangerous, selfish,
Meg, this one is closed. Here's an open one.
we go back, we collide. We go back, we go back, we go back, we're colliding. Losing track, even God knows I'm trying. Was it all make-believe? Something
guys, there's another little greenhouse over there. And lots of mangoes are spoiling here. So many spoiled mangoes. So we come up to another distinction. Runners go left, walkers go right. We're going to the bush. Hey, someone left their shoe behind. Probably been here a while though.
Emptied out my soul. You've heard it all before. Honest, but I know.
So guys, this here is more of a stream.
I was young and almost still can't fill the void. We don't need the past in our lives for tomorrow. Never see the end of the night filled with sorrow. What do we do to love?
So many trees just fall. And they're forgotten. Guys, look at these little bee boxes. They're light blue with the silver or grey on top. You probably can't see the little bees flying around, but lots of bees around them. And guys, on this side you have some farmland with some peas, some pineapples, some pawpaw, some mangoes, citrus, and green bananas. Ooh, look at the trunk. As you can see, some farmland here in the distance.
Story took its toll. Thought I would have grown off the beaten track to become a better man. Sinking in the sand. We don't need the past in our lives for tomorrow. Never see the end of the night filled with sorrow. What do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done. What do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we
Guys,
do to love?
I'm so tired. I wasn't recording for a bit there, but there was a super hilly section. My heart is tired. This is a long hash. I'm not sure if we ended up doing the long runners by accident because it feels really long, but I think we're close now, so fingers crossed. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and end this video here. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, definitely thumbs it up. Leave a comment letting me know your thoughts on it. This one was really so scenic. We saw a waterfall, we saw the river, we saw so many beautiful trees and farmland and everything. So I really hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new here or if you have not yet subscribed, and turn on post notifications so you'll always know when I post a new video. So thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye!